So all the bits are gone, so we can now install the cathode and let's see what will happen when we just flush it in, but I don't want to short circuit this one already, so let's keep that one over there. And let's get this one also over here. Oh, don't fall. Saved by the cathode, very nice. So something like this should do the trick. Now we need to measure the voltage coming out of it. It's minus over here. Let's connect that one. Something like this. Ideal. Make it a little bit more ideal. Oh yeah, this one doesn't snap. Oh, you stay over here. So, now we need to get a little bit of titanium plug. Where did I left that one? Take this one. There's the current collector for the cathode. And let's pick that one up. Oh, here's the other one. Anyway. Oh, let's see what it does. Oh, with me it's already 300. That's weird. So if I touch it, so I shouldn't touch it. That's 0. Let's see what it does. That's propane 770. That's a lot. Now let's look at the amps. It's gonna be excited. 200 amps. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Ah, yeah. It needs a better contact. 34. 34. Let's see what this is. 0.03. 2. But give me one here. It's really oxidizing the Momo really fast. Yikes. Some serious power now. And I can need a little bit also oxygen breathing. And boy, it's hot and damp here. Whew. In the growth house. Do some cucumber with mineral deficiency. Doesn't look here so bad, but over there it gets worse. Anyway, that's a lot of power. So I think the bottleneck could be the anode, because it's really just random thrown in pieces of graphite on the bottom. It's not like some electrode spacing configured like here. So I was thinking to do that also, but then no, I have to dig out everything that's in here, so it's gonna get really dirty. But you can't use this one anymore because it gives too much. I started with not even microamps instead, and milliamps. 2 milliamps, 1 milliamp was also like, oh. Now we are at 33. I don't know what the voltage is, but it should be 205. I can also probe it maybe. There's more here. No, it's not more here. It's like the connection depends on how good it is. They all are interconnected with each other, so when we have a good connection, we get a steady output. Maybe we need to weave some more wires in between, but meanwhile we are really satisfied with the results. I think the reactor cell on its own too, because it's really nuts. And then back to the LG cell. So you need to fill this one up with pure sludge too, and then you can dump this in the algae water, where there will be sunlight collected, and then via through photosynthesis we have also oxygen on the cathodes. And inside we have the anode, and we have an electron spacer of PLA made of terracotta. So it might function as a proton exchange membrane, I hope. It's just a silly test maybe. We will see if it will do something. Then we have like a prototype of tube, where you can pump sewage water or sludge or fish poo or pee whatsoever that's nutrient rich, can be oxidized in the inside, and then H+ protons will go through the membrane, reach out here to the cathode, where it can react again with plenty of oxygen that's made fresh in the catalyte by the biomass of algae. And then you can have feedstock on it, like biofloc. You can grow on the excess of algae. You can feed it back to the fish or cattle, whatever, if you centrifuge out the algae. And then you can also heat it up and make biodiesel or plastics or pixels monitors, advanced technologies from biopolymers, blah blah. But anyway, this is a prototype. I need to fill this one up first and then close this lid with something, maybe some piepschuim, something like that. And then it gets anaerobic, so you have like a cell, and then I'm gonna push it in the algae reactor and see what will happen over time. And maybe you can make a design that's just like this, where you have like this, and then tubing. Maybe a complete factory building, full acres. I don't know how much fun you want to create with it. Because the downside of like algae growing is that it produces so much oxygen, it becomes lethal, toxic for life. You know, then it kills itself. But when we have an oxygen-eating device, that is also generating power and helping up the photosynthesis process, blah blah, in the catalyte with the algae. So that's something I want to test, try out. Because those two worlds together are like